Bosses don't want data, they want direction. They don't care about how many rows your Excel has. They care about what those rows mean. If you can make their decisions easier, faster, and smarter, you won't just be noticed, you'll be trusted, and trust is the real promotion. There was a time when I thought reports were just paperwork. Something you finish late Friday, throw some numbers on, hit send, and move on. But one day I sat in a meeting that completely flipped my perspective. My boss pulled up a report, my report, and after 5 seconds she closed it. She looked at me and said, "This doesn't help me make a decision." That stung. Until then, I thought a good report meant no errors, clean formatting, all the numbers. But that moment taught me what every real leader wants from a report: clarity, insight, and action. So I started doing things differently. Instead of just dumping data, I began asking, what question is my boss trying to answer with this? Is it why are sales down, or which product needs more budget, or who's underperforming? Suddenly, my reports weren't just summaries, they were tools. I added clear takeaways at the top. I bolded trends. I used charts that told a story instead of just numbers. And at the end of every report, I started adding one line. What I recommend next, that one change. Game changer. The way we measure success is by how many times that line is clicked. And over time, my reports went from being ignored to being forwarded to upper management. My work was getting recognized not because I worked more, but because I felt like a decision maker. You can do this, too. Start small. Think like the C-suite. Ask yourself, how can I make better decisions faster? Then add that one line. You'll see clicks. You'll get noticed. You'll build trust. And that, my friend, is the real promotion. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so glad you're here. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And here's another video I know you'll love.